this tutorial you will learn the sheet metal command, that is sheet metal gusset. In previous in SolidWorks, before SolidWorks 2014, this sheet metal gusset is not present in the sheet metal of the SolidWorks 2020 SolidWorks software. So it is very helpful tool in SolidWorks. It is basically used in sheet metal. Here we have you make the two sheets like from the base flange and the edge flange. Okay, by using this base flange command and edge flange command. Okay, now what is the use of the sheet metal gusset in feature or in the solid part? We use the rib feature to get the support to our part where we have the bend or the edges will be there, because there is a very chances to crack our part or bend to or change the angle of our part by using these edges. Okay, so that's we use the rib, or in sheet metal we use the gusset. Okay, just click on the sheet metal gusset. SolidWorks asks you to select the two faces. Here you can see the position supporting faces, like first face one this and second this one. Okay, now it will taking the um, dimension over here. There are the multiple command of sheet metal gusset. You can change, increase, decrease, indent width, thickness, thickness. So I'm just click on OK. Now you can see what will happen by clicking on OK. By use of the sheet metal gusset, you can see what our final geometry has been made it. Okay, now you can change very you can update or by edit feature. You can change the offset that is if I increase, you can see the cursor has been shifted. Okay, you can also change the profile dimension, that is d1, d2 and a1, etc. Okay, I am selecting the indent depth. Okay, this is what is default value. Now add the multiple dimensions, that is the indent width. If we increase the indent width, you can see what's happened now. That is very large. It is not actually not happened, and depth is not very well. It's enough 15 mm. And indent thickness, just clarify in your mind, indent thickness should be less than. Okay, it should be less than the indent width. Okay, if you make indent thickness more than the indent width, you the cassette will not create. Okay, now if you click in OK, you will say the rebuild error. That is, so just take indent thickness less than 15, sorry 15, not indent width. Okay, now you can change the side face draft and inner corner fillet, etc. If you select the fillet of 2, now you can see the fillet has been created over here, fillet chamfer. There's a multiple options, and this fillet, now you can measure it from here, that is from evolute. Select the measure and select this space. You can select the radius of this fillet is 2 mm. Okay, it's very interesting. You can increase or decrease as per our requirement. It will depend on the our analysis perspective. If I selecting this by 2 to 5, you can say the fillet has been increased, uh, changes from 2 to 5 mm. Okay, let's do it again. Just go sheet metal, select the sheet metal cassette, select these two faces, and give the indent depth of 61, sorry 70, and just click on. Wait a second, why it is happened anytime. Click on OK. Now you can see the change difference between the two gusset. Okay, I had made multiple tutorials in sheet metal and also surface. I have covered entire feature of the surface and the feature tools. Okay, you can go and watch all that feature in my channel. If you are new here, you can please subscribe to my channel. Okay, okay, you can subscribe my YouTube channel, and that is CAD Design Master. I had made multiple sheet metal and surface and all the basic and advanced feature of the SolidWorks tutorials. Over here you can check the playlist. Okay, I am updating it again and again. Okay, if you are new and if you want to learn more about the SolidWorks is and in the form of the code, then this is very important tutorial for all of you. Okay, thank you for watching. If you want this tutorial in Hindi, you can comment me. I will definitely make this tutorial in Hindi. And I want to start the uh, next tutorial or next course of NX. If you are wanna, if you are interested, please comment me. I will make it definitely. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel to get more tutorials.